Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Amazon. So first, you have to open your Google web browser, or you can also open the Amazon app in your mobile device. And on the top, here's the URL section. You can simply type amazon.com and enter it, and you'll be redirected to the Amazon official homepage. Here we can see on the top right corner there's a yellow sign right here, sign in option. Click on that option in order to sign in. And here we can see we are required with our email or phone number. So type down whichever you are connected with in Amazon, and after you fill this, you can simply click on the continue option and just type down your password as well. But if you have forgotten your password, then click over here and Amazon will send you a code in your Gmail. And you can also see there's this small box over here that says keep me signed in. But if you want to keep your Amazon account sign in, so you can simply click on this button in order to sign in. But if you do not prefer that option, simply tap on that again. And after you're done, you can click on the sign in option. That is how you can log into Amazon. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.